Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain topic loop else statement. It is related to iteration statement, looping statement. This is a new concept and related to unit 1 review of Python. Topic is loop else statement. Python loops, that is for loop and while loop, have an else clause which is different from else or if else statement. The else clause of a Python loop executes when the loop terminates normally, not when the loop is terminating because of a break statement, that is jump statement. Now we understand this concept loop else statement with an example. So example is program in Python to check a number is prime number or not. In this question we accept a number from the user and check number is prime number or not. Now first we discuss what is prime number, then we use the concept of prime number. So the concept of prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself is called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These some numbers are divisible by 1 or itself. 2 is an only one even prime number, and all these numbers are divisible by 1 or itself. And one more concept is that every number their maximum divisible excepting 1 or itself is just their half. Now this concept using code. Program start as first we accept a number from the user. Now request from user enter a number. As the user give a number, this is stored in n, variable n. M is another variable and it accepts an integer value that is just half of number plus 1. It means this is used for range in for loop. Now we check number n divided by 2 to just half. Like a number is 10, then we check number 10 divided by 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is the half of 10. So we start as for I in range 2 comma m. Starting from 2 because all numbers are divisible by 1. So we start from 2 and then half. The range is start from 2 and end point is m. M is half of a number. Then inside the loop body a condition if n mod I equal to 0. It means if a number divisible by 2 to just half, that is I, number divisible by I and remainder is 0, then this is print as given number is not prime number. And then just break. Break is a jump statement. If the break statement is executed, then control transfer to outside the loop part. Now check number divided by 2 and then just following numbers up to half. If number is divisible by any number, then print given number is not prime. And after the loop execution, if no number is divisible, divide to a number, then control transfer to outside the loop and else statement is executed and print given number is prime number. For an example, a user number is 7. Then we check this number 7 divide by 2, 3, both numbers, because divisible of 7 is 7 divided by 2, 3.5, and integer value is 3. So value of m is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 value assigned to m. So range is 2, 4, and range function execute start from 2 and upper limit -1, that is m minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. So start from 2 and end at 3. So number 7, n is 7, 7 divisible by 2, equal to 0, no, condition false. Then again repeat, number is increased by 1 up to value is 3. Now I is 3, inside the loop, number 7 divisible by 3, equal to 0, condition false. Then outside loop, and then range is over. Then control transfer to else part, and then print given number is prime number. This is the concept of prime number. The output is given as enter a number. If user number is 7, then output will be displayed as given number is prime number. Thank you.